Brian DiMambro. Here now before us is a very early 19th century plan of the City of London. It was published in 1802 in London by Robert Wilkinson. It's backed onto linen as issued at the time by the publisher, and in fact this map still retains its original marbled paper slipcase. I'll turn the map over so you can see the condition of the reverse. The linen is still sound. The map is very detailed. It's got original hand color on it. There are 103 different specific churches identified in the key running across the bottom. Then there are another perhaps 50 or so public buildings which are identified. Many buildings are shown in outline. And so we'll put it back into the case as it was acquired and will be shipped. And this charming and scarce item is currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.